Come test drive the 2024 Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip, and go with Ford Escape, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry. Indulge in luxury and make a statement wherever you go.